share his learning about Minong Panganing Diet Food. President.
Shoot ka. Ingat sa akin, sige.
Good afternoon, everyone. Science description and menu planning. Understanding different hospital diets and their purposes. During my immersion at Dominic Hospital, Italy, I learned that patients are given different kind of diet depending on their illness. Some patients eat soft or liquid food because they cannot chew well, while others need low salt or low sugar diet to help control their condition. Each diet helps the patient recover faster and stay safe. Role of the dietitian in planning menus. I learned that the dietitian plays an important role in planning the patient meal. The dietitian checks the doctor's order and make sure the food is healthy, balanced and proper for the patient condition. They also make sure the food is prepared safely and served on time. How patient condition affects food choices. I observed that a patient condition affects the kind of food they can eat. For example, patients with diabetes are given less sugar, and patients with high blood pressure are given low salt meals. This helps prevent complication and support their recovery. How does nutrition help in patient recovery? Nutrition helps patient recovery by giving the body the energy and nutrients it needs to have. Proper food helps strengthen the immune system, repair body tissues, and improve the patient's strength. Eating the right food also helps patient feel better and recover faster. Thank you.
Thank you guys for your learning. So